So we have just parked up in Airlie Beach after checking out of the caravan park. Got a tote full of books that we've read, and we're heading to the second-hand bookshop just to trade these in and yeah, just grab a couple new ones to read.
$50,000 no repeat workday.
Okay, so we've just been into the bookshop, had a little look around, traded in our old books to make some space in our van, and I picked up a little book, World War Z, which is quite a popular film that everyone's probably heard of. So this is the next book. Yeah, we're thinking about getting a Kindle because like we go through so many books in the van, and unfortunately we can't keep them. They cost quite a lot, so they're always getting recycled through the van. So me and Amy are thinking of going to get a Kindle maybe, I don't know. And we picked up a matcha. This is my first matcha. They're getting pretty popular. They're good, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're pretty good. Tastes like grass, but in a good way. Like, you feel healthy drinking it.
We did it with coconut milk and vanilla as well, so we sweetened it and didn't do it too milky.
So yeah, so should be good. Now we're just gonna go grab some bits for the van, head over to Woolworths, grab some dinner for the night, and then start on with the day. 2 little walks, a waterfall swim, and then camp tonight. So onwards with the day.
Yeah, like a bandit.
So we've just got out of the town, which is Airlie Beach, and we're heading over to one of the Whitsundays Great Walks. We're gonna do like an hour's hike. It's already like 12 o'clock, but just one of those days where like you're in a town and it just takes ages to kind of get out. Like you have a few odd things to do and stuff. So we're gonna go do a little bit of a hike, and then do another hike to a waterfall where we can cool off. So after a very windy road up, we've arrived at the car park for the Great Whitsundays Walk. So we're going to have a little bit of lunch because it's 12 o'clock and we're both pretty hungry. And yeah, once our energy's back, we'll go on a little bit of a walk. So we've just done that like hour loop, which was really good, but yeah, because we're still in far north Queensland, very hot. My watch says it is 31 degrees right now, so I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweating through the t-shirt already. So straight in the van, aircon on, and straight over to the next swimming hole. Let's go. We're in the van, aircon is on. T-shirts are very sweaty.
Dying.
Amy's holding her phone in front of the aircon because it got too hot in the van.
It won't charge.
And now it won't charge. And we have got, as a little snack, some sausage roll and sauce. Crisps in the UK, chips in Australia, right? Let's try a couple. They're good, but I'm trying to detect the sausage roll.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's
There's
go.
cocoa powder in these.
Cocoa powder is
Where is it?
So we're here at this waterfall, and after a little bit of investigating, we kind of realised that there might be a way to actually climb up the waterfall, like through the side banks, and get to the little pools at the top. I would not recommend this to try this at home or at all, but yeah, we're gonna have a little look, see if we can get to the top. Obviously, only go where it's looked like someone has gone before, and just always be cautious. Yeah, let's have a little look. Wow, look at that. We're gonna keep going up. I feel like an absolute adventurer going up this. Whoa. I'm not very good with heights, and this is definitely pretty high. Holy! The waterfall right down there. And he's here at the mouth of the waterfall. Alright, well that is beautiful. We're going to head back down and have another swim to cool off in the pool below before we head out of there. Alright guys, so we've just had a lovely swim in the Cedar Creek Falls. Walked up to like where the waterfall starts and jumped in a bit. As you can tell, had a very good time. Now it's about 3:30. Definitely time to start making a move to the campsite, because I think it's about an hour drive away. So we're gonna make a move, drive on over to the campsite, and then get set up for the evening. Just staying one evening at this campsite we're going to, so pretty quick turnaround, but yeah, let's go.
See the flaming ruins of the trading post. Townspeople run from the city wall. Whatever is wedged between us right now.
Alrighty guys, we have parked up and we are at once again a absolutely beautiful campsite. We've got the van right here, parked up, and the beach is literally right there. This is again an amazing campsite, like $20 a night. Very few amenities, like just a basic drop toilet and stuff, but yeah, it's really good. And also, if you can tell, it's really windy, which is actually, it's good. It's like wanted because it keeps all the mosquitoes away. Amy's just down there reading for now. Let's get this cooking quickly. We're just gonna have some salmon and veggies. I really hope this audio is usable because yeah, it is really windy. We are gonna literally, this is gonna be like a flash meal kind of thing, you know? Tonight we've got some fresh Tasmanian salmon there. Right, we're gonna go skin down with this salmon. They're like almost steaks, they are massive. Let's hope that that cooks. You know what, I've realised that this is just not gonna cook enough because it's just so windy, so I'm gonna move this down onto the floor. I think that's a whole lot better. Now that salmon is on, let's get some salad in there. Bed of salad there. whilst that salmon is cooking and we've got a couple minutes spare, let's go run down to the girlfriend and give her a nice beer. We've got beer delivery.
Hey, thank you.
Alrighty, let's see how that salmon's getting on. That's good. So I've put the lid on just to cook the salmon a little bit more evenly. Hopefully that helps a little bit. How is it? A couple times. More windy up there than it is right here, because it's like, that is actually so good, eh?
Just shit.
5. You go unlock the front.
Okay, I'm gonna hop in the front.
Okay, Dan. So guys, it's literally like 5:30 in the morning. We're early risers, but we're not this early risers. This is early for me and Amy. But the reason we've come and woken up this early, we've come for the sunrise. Yeah, there's hopefully a little something else that we can see at this sunrise as well. So we've just been to the beach now to see some kangaroos and wallabies. It was really good on the sunrise. It was lovely. It's definitely like a bit of a touristy thing, but you just pick a spot and they are natural to the area, which is nice, and they come out for the sunrise. So just done that. Having some coffee now, brewing it up in the kettle. Yeah, and then we're just gonna head on with the rest of the day, eh?
Hey?